Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Murder Mystery 2 and grinding for level 100. Guys, we have a full out murder right on my tail. Guys, we have a full out murder. This girl's a murder. She's a full out murderer. We have her right on my tail. Like the girl's like the paper hat. Yeah, the girl that has paper hat is it. Yeah, it's her. I saw her. She was right next to a dead body. And I heard a stabbing noise. Even though it looks like I have the same effect, but it's not me.
Yeah, I just saw her. She almost killed me. She almost freaking killed me. And jumped over.
Yeah, it's her. She almost killed Blake. Are you dead?
No, I'm still alive.
Yeah, spectate the murder. Miles, spectate the murderer.
Cause all are acting bad, then they know where people are. So, are you playing this wrong?
No.
That's good.
Yeah, I actually am.
Okay, phone up the hook, yeah, that bitch don't stop blinking, I'm pick.
But I'm playing like a really calm song. Oh, you can close this door.
Where's the
Why you trying to keep me thingy,
But you're playing a song.
I thought
you?
my life, for my life, say you wanted to, you lied, yeah.
Who's the murderer?
She killed me.
Who's sheriff?
Cause don't go out. Don't go out. She's still there. Oh, it's the guy who has the. How is this guy? He's the sheriff. She's upstairs. She's upstairs. I believe in him.
I believe in him.
I believe in him. I believe no! Gotta get it. Gotta get it.
Dude, this is me. We ran out of time. We ran out of time.
Wait, maybe she killed you?
Yeah, she is.
Maybe she killed you?
She's hacking.
Yes, yeah. Because I saw the...
Then Blade was he?
I saw her knife go back, and then I saw it go back out to kill her. Then killed you.
The Blade wasn't near me, so that joke's on you. Blade wasn't near me.
Oh, yeah, this one. No. Okay, I'll do this one.
Dude, then
Yeah.
her Blade wasn't even near me.
Deleting. I don't like that.
Okay.
I'm innocent. I'm really calm. It's not.
Oh, great, she lied. Dude, that girl lied that she was innocent. I'm innocent. What? This is me. over here. Get over here. Wait, is this you? Is this you, Miles?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, it's the guy. It's the white guy. It's the white guy that's bald. It's the white guy that's bald. Shoot him. He's in the bathroom. The murder's in the bathroom. He has the white. He has no hair on. And he's like a default. But you're lying. Yeah, he killed me. He just went right up to me. He was following me. I thought he thought I was you. Wait, did you pull out your gun? Did you pull out your gun?
Yeah, I shot it. Boom!
He probably thought I was the sheriff, then he killed me. Yeah, he did. Went right up to me, killed me. Right up to me. He went right up to me. He went split. Just take your what is it called? Radio off. It's annoying.
Okay.
This was him. He just came up and killed me. I'm murderer.
Don't kill me. What did I get? And I still didn't.
I'm just gonna go up to this guy and now kill him.
How many did you do?
I killed sheriff.
Get the gun, please.
No, no.
Okay, kill that guy. Kill that guy. Kill that guy.
No, I don't want. Who is this? I'll let you get the gun, Miles. Miles, is that you?
Yes.
Get it.
Someone took it. Someone took it.
Yeah, Miles, if you do shoot me, I will unfriend you. And I will hang up this call. Backstab.
Why did Miles delete that good night?
This guy is so hard to kill. Finally, he's dead.
Yes.
No. Not right now. I know there's other hiding spot.
Wait, there's one more left. There's one more left.
Where is he?
Wait. He's like. He's like somewhere.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're the only ones left.
It's gonna be so super easy for you.
I'll
Hey, dude, look at my hand. I came right up to that guy and I killed him. I knew it was him. Knew it was him.
Do this one, do this one, do this, Mom, do this one, do this, Mom. Do this one.
I haven't got sheriff in so long.
I'm innocent over here.
I'm innocent. Oh, we're all innocent.
All in it. I don't know where it is. It's that guy.
You people know a lot about trucks. Bing, 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 bong. China. Bing, bing, bong. Obamacare. Bing, 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 bong.
What is this song?
Get those lights off. Bing, 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 bing. China. Bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Turn off the lights. I'm really rich. Bing, bing, bong. $1 million. Bing, bing, bong. It's Rubio. Bing, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Hey, by the way. Bing, 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 bing. I love China. Bing, bing, bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Hello. You people know a lot about
Mike, look where I am.
I'm hiding so really good.
I am hiding somewhere really good. Like, look on my head.
Hey, how did you get up there? How did you get up there?
Glitched.
Oh, I'm hiding somewhere really good. I'm hiding.
Bing, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Hey, by the way.
Colin, I'm hiding right here.
Dude, he's coming up. Murder's coming up.
I'm hiding right here. I'm hiding right here, Colin. Look. Look, Colin. I'm
I
hiding
think I
A
know.
lot about trucks. Bing, bing, bing.
I'm still alive.
China. Bing, bing, bong. Obama. Bing, 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 bong.
Yes! Yes! What a noob. That guy was a noob. No, some other guy killed him. That guy literally just went like. Uh-oh. I survived. Dude, I jumped on the guy that has the top hats.
Sarah,
I'm murderer.
don't kill me.
You're gonna shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
Hello. You people know a lot about trucks. Bing, 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 bong. China. Bing, bing, bong. Obamacare. Bing, 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 bong. Bong, bong, bong. Get those lights off. Bing, 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 bing. China. Bong, bong. Bing, bing, bing. Turn off the lights. I'm really rich. Bing, bing, bong.
Wait, did I just kill someone?
Bing, bing, bong. It's Rubio. Bing, 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 bong. Bong, 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 bong. Hey, by the way. Bing, 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 bing. I love China. Bing, bing, bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. How can you not love China?
Dude, stay in there.
People know a lot about trucks. Bing, 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 bong. China. Bing, bing, bong. Obamacare. Bing, 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 bong. Bong, bong, bong. Get those lights off. Bing, 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 bing. China. Bong, bong. Bing,
No, I didn't.
bing, bong. Turn off the lights. I'm really rich. Bing, bing.
Yep, got that guy.
Only one.
Can you guys let me win?
One. Oh, that was you.
Let me win, please.
Well, I want to get.
Let me win, Blake. Okay, I got Blake.
Connors, one for the left. And where? Right here, Colin, right here.
He's a bot. Wait, is Miles dead?
No, he's not dead. I see you. Colin, he's right here. Right here, Colin. Let's go.
Miles, can I kill you for the win?
Colin.
I want the win.
You get level 99 or level 99.
I'm 100. Dude, I wanted to get 100. I'm grinding for level 100. Look how close I am.
Oh, that's close. You just need to win one more round.
Miles, I needed to win the game. Sorry.
Oh, you're so close to get one. Boom!
Oh yeah, Blake actually is a murderer.
This guy was a sheriff. Don't shoot me.
Hello, you people know a lot about trucks. Bing, 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 bong. China.
This guy.
Bing, bing, bong.
He's falling.
Bing, 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 bong, 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 bong. Get those lights off. Bing, 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 bing. China. Bong, bong. Bing, 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 bong. Turn off the lights. I'm really rich. Bing, bing, bong. $1 million.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bing,
I'm trying to
bing,
get
bong.
that
It's
Sorry, Miles. It was an accident.
Hey, by the way. Bing, bing.
Oh,
You went into it. I'm trying to kill that guy, Miles. Sorry.
Miles, Blake, I'm shooting you now.
No, I'm trying to kill that guy.
Should I shoot him? I'm shooting you now.
I'm gonna kill you. Let me kill this guy.
Since you killed Blake, since you killed Miles, I'm unfriending you.
I'm trying to kill that guy! I'm trying to kill him! I'm trying to kill that guy! I'm trying to kill that guy! I'm trying to kill oh my god! I'm trying to kill Arga!
What are you doing?
Oh my god, Blake is out of control. He is just...
I heard him screaming. Shut the door,
Yeah, he
mosquito!
did.
Shut the door, mosquito!
Oh, stop killing me.
He is out of control. Blake, well, you killed Miles.
Next time I hear you scream like that, you go into bed. You understand me? It's a game!
I know.
Don't know me. Get over here. Don't know me. You understand that? When I tell you something, you listen.
Well, Blake was being...
Sit down. It's only a game.
Blake was like yelling.
That's it.
Yeah, he was raging.
So why are we screaming?
I wasn't screaming.
I'm innocent.
I was doing the silent scream. Well, Blake tried. Hey, Dad, guess what Blake did today? He broke Mommy's book. And then glass got shattered everywhere. At Mom's. Then Blake, like, he lifted up the table and smashed it down. No, then that was when he's in trouble. I don't know.
You people know a lot about trucks. China. Bing, bing, bong. Obamacare. Bing, 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 bong. Bong, bong, bong. Get those lights off. Bing, bing,
Oh!
bing, bing. China. Bong, bong. Bing, bing. Bong. Turn off the lights.
Dang it, he got me. The sheriff is killed. The sheriff got murdered. Oh! Did you see that, Miles? He literally juked him. Oh, I'm so close. Dude, I'm literally so close to level 100.
I just want to say,
Dude, I am like right there.
put the fancy face.
Hey, dude, there's Shrek. Look, Shrek's here.
I say hi.
I said hi, Shrek.
Why do you say hi, what?
Cause that's what his character is.
I'm murderer.
Don't kill me.
No, I am killing you, Blake.
Don't kill me. This is me. I'm jumping. Okay, Blake, you're taking a bath. Miles, I'm in the shower. I'm in.
Hey, you guys are talking a little bit too loud.
Oh! Yeah, that's Blake. Oh, Blake, you're dead. So bad for you.
When is it gonna be outside?
Oh, you almost hit my foot, Miles. Sheriff, 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 sheriff. Miles, be careful. Be careful. He's sitting on you.
I'm not playing. I hate MM2.
Look at my screen. What the heck? Now I'm level 1. Miles, now I'm level 1. Hmm.
Come close.
Miles, I am literally level 1.
I'm not playing with you. I'm not seeing.
Who are you?
I'm innocent.
I'm not seeing again. But that's all.
So, guys, thanks for watching my YouTube video. And that what happens if we get level 100. you go back to level 1. So